Welcome to Coding with Magic. How to install Visual Studio Code. Step by step. Go to any browser. Search for Visual Code Studio download. Link also in the description. Click the link. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Click on official Microsoft website. Click here and you will be redirected to official site. You can install for Windows or Linux and also for Mac OS, but I am using Windows. Download will automatically start it. The size of this file is only 77 megabytes. This will be downloaded shortly. After the download complete, close this tab. Now open the download folder in your computer and run the program file you downloaded. Click on Run. Wait a small minute. Click on I accept the agreement. Click Next. If you have unchecked any box, then click on Check. This is very helpful in our next tutorials. All the things are okay. Click Next. This will be installed shortly. If you are there, of course you like my videos and also hit the like button. If you don't have subscribed my channel, please subscribe for latest programming videos. Click on the Finish button. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the Visual Studio Code for coding. Okay, bye. I will see you in the next time.